Convenient laundry and dry cleaning facilities at Hyatt House Dallas Lincoln Park. At Hyatt House Dallas Lincoln Park, we understand the importance of convenience when it comes to laundry and dry cleaning services. That's why we offer top-notch facilities to ensure that your clothes are always fresh and ready for any occasion. Our hotel features a well-equipped laundry room, complete with modern washers and dryers, making it easy for you to take care of your laundry needs during your stay. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, you can count on our laundry facilities to keep your clothes looking their best. For those who prefer to leave their laundry in the hands of professionals, we also provide a reliable dry cleaning service. Our experienced staff will handle your garments with care, ensuring that they are cleaned, pressed, and returned to you in pristine condition. With our convenient laundry and dry cleaning facilities, you can focus on enjoying your time in Dallas without worrying about the hassle of laundry. Book your stay at Hyatt House Dallas Lincoln Park today and experience the convenience and comfort we have to offer. Indulge in delicious dining at Hyatt House Dallas Lincoln Park. At Hyatt House Dallas Lincoln Park, guests can indulge in a delightful culinary experience without even leaving the hotel. The on-site restaurant offers a diverse menu that caters to all tastes and preferences. From hearty breakfast options to mouth-watering lunch and dinner dishes, there is something for everyone. Guests can savor a variety of delectable dishes prepared by skilled chefs using fresh, locally sourced ingredients. For those who prefer to dine in the comfort of their own room, Hyatt House Dallas Lincoln Park also offers convenient grocery deliveries. Guests can have their favorite snacks, beverages, and ingredients delivered right to their doorstep, allowing them to create their own culinary masterpieces. Whether it's a late-night craving or a quick meal on the go, the grocery delivery service ensures that guests have access to a wide range of options at any time of the day. With its exceptional dining facilities, Hyatt House Dallas Lincoln Park goes above and beyond to provide a memorable dining experience for its guests. Whether you choose to dine at the on-site restaurant or enjoy the convenience of grocery deliveries, you are guaranteed a satisfying and delicious culinary journey during your stay. Comfort and accessibility at Hyatt House Dallas Lincoln Park. Hyatt House Dallas Lincoln Park offers a range of comfortable and accessible room options to suit every traveler's needs. From the spacious accessible 1 king roll-in shower room to the accessible 2-bedroom king/king roll-in shower, each room is thoughtfully designed to provide a hassle-free stay.